Silver continues the massive shortage. What will this do to our future prices on silver? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver update, the silver shortage. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy coffee, everyone. We made it to Friday finally. So I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. Right now, guys, silver is down 11% this morning. We threw an interception, but that's good for some of you. We're going to talk about that this morning. And we're going to talk about the silver shortage and what could it do for future prices, everyone. So before we get started on this, I want to say, everybody, thank you so very much for watching our channel, for supporting me, for understanding that we throw a pass every now and then. We sure were thinking it was going to hit 90 today, but the U.S. dollar and oil prices made a fool of us, or me. So thank you, everybody. Hey, if you just clicked on this video, continue watching it. You just clicked on a channel that's different from everything else. I'm not your normal, typical guy making videos on gold and silver. I don't have all the fancy charts. I don't talk to all these fancy people. I research my own research, and then I'll bring it to you, everybody. So welcome to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, and if you're a new viewer, and or you just clicked on it just now. So thank you so very much. But let's dive into silver and gold this morning. What has happened? Oh, by the way, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the 5-ounce copper round and the 1-ounce copper round. So let's get started, everybody. What has happened today? I mean, our price has really dropped. I'll talk about that in a minute, along with our silver shortage, everybody. So gold is at currently $4,553. And if you bought gold a couple days ago, you might hold on to it for a while. Don't plan on selling silver and gold and doing this thing as a short-term thing. It is not a short-term thing, everybody. So gold at 4,553. Silver, everybody, is down about 11% from what we saw at 87 down to 77.86, and down a couple bucks down from what it ended up last week. So will that recover, everybody? It's going to be interesting to see what happens if our reports on our dollar goes down. We're likely to see silver go up. If our dollar continues to rocket back up like it did overnight, everybody, where they're investing in the dollar, they're pulling their money out of silver and gold and going with the dollar to invest in, then we're likely to see another drop in silver. But short-term dips, as I said, we're likely to have dips and some small corrections while silver continues to build its case and blow over $100 an ounce. That's going to happen. No question in my mind. I'm sure there might have been some sell-offs on some silver at $77.86 or at 87 for that matter. I'm sure we had a lot of people buying and selling. So, hey, that it is what it is, but it's still good, everybody. 77.86. If it holds 77, it's another good weekend buying opportunity because a lot of people don't have the time during the week to go to their LCSs and buy silver. So get out and see your local coin shops, everybody, and buy some silver, everyone. So buy it. This is, I'm telling you, it's giving you every opportunity to go out and buy before it throws the strike, everybody. When it throws that strike, it's going to rocket, and it continues to rocket, and it continues to do well, even at 77.82. Nothing but positive on silver and gold. The green lights are on, everybody. Platinum is at $1,995. It's down $59. Oh, by the way, gold's down about $100. So silver's down, gold's down. Palladium's down $21 to $1,405, everybody. It's going to be interesting. Let's go over here and look at Hong Kong. Let's look at Mumbai. We're at $4,613 on Hong Kong on gold, and they're at 81.17. So check that out, 81.17 in Hong Kong, and Mumbai is 4,606 and 80.95 on silver, everybody. So happy coffee for that. And I think that'll be part of a driver today. So will we go back over 80 and, we may stay stagnant for the week where we hit 80 and that's where we're staying. I'm still strong. We've already busted over 80, 83 bucks an ounce. We've already broken over that resistance. We've broken the 87, 86, 87. And yes, I think we're going to continue to break our resistance. Even when they set the resistance here, and here, silver just keeps breaking it, everybody. So this is just a temporary dip, in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but it's a dip. So go buy on the dip. So it's a good thing. I'm not worried about it. A $10 drop is a $10 drop. Silver can go up just as fast. As it goes down. So remember that. Silver's really volatile right now. The markets are very volatile, but huge cases for silver going up are out there. They're showing it to us. Now, rhodium, everyone, it finally moved. It went down with everything else to $9,450. So it's actually down from $9,550 to $9,450. So what happened to the gold and silver ratio? Well, it changed dramatically. We went from 53, 54 all the way up to 58.62, but still showing silver outperforming gold. So I'm big into silver. Guys, I love silver. I love it. I love it. I don't love it as much as my family, my wife, and our Heavenly Father. Thank you, Father. But I still love it. It's beautiful. I got a bunch of pickups to show you for Super Copper Sunday. I'm not going to get some in, but I got a lot in, and they're really, really cool. So we'll show those on Sunday, everybody. Super Copper Sunday, guys. And I got some cool stuff. I just hope it comes in. So let's move over. Let's move over to base metals. Base metals are also down a little bit. Copper, still extremely strong, everybody. Copper's at 627, everyone. We're down about 10 cents. It was at roughly 638, but still, golly, it is strong as strong can be. And it's making its case, man. It's making its case for being the next silver. It's really screaming at us, everyone. So nickel's down to 8.52 right now. And aluminum, $1.68. Okay. Let's do zinc. How about $1.60? How about lead? 90 cents. One of my commenters said yesterday, it was pretty funny. By the way, guys, watch these videos through. That helps the algorithm. That pushes these things. So I'd really appreciate it if you did that. We're, 8 minutes in, and I'm just now saying that? Probably crashed the video. But anyway, one of my commenters said, hey, I've watched a few of your videos, but basically in a really long paragraph said, will you stop talking about nothing and get to the point and start talking about other stuff? And I'm like, okay. And one of my lights went out. How's that? Anyway, that being said, I don't much care anymore if you make a stupid comment. Happy coffee to your stupid comment, everybody. So anyway, let's move on to our gold backs. Let's refresh this and see what gold backs have done. And then don't forget, we're going to talk about the cases for silver continuing the rise and continuing the bull run. And guys, just because we have a dip doesn't mean it's not on the bull run and it's over. It is continued, and it's going to continue. And I'm just telling you, things are happening for silver. that's setting it up big time. Now, we're going to have some corrections in this silver, obviously, as we have had today, but it's a great time to buy. It's a good correction. It's not a bad correction. It's healthy for silver to correct itself and go back, but it sure freaks everybody out. So, go backs, guys. 937 this morning, 24 karat gold you can hold, everybody. Um, did some shorts on a couple of gold back videos, shorts, and actually pretty good comments. So thank you for your comments. We had one comment. One guy didn't understand pretty much about gold backs. So it's usually the bad comments on gold backs are the people that have never researched gold backs, don't even know what a gold back is, everybody. So don't get hung up on two things. Don't get hung up on just gold and silver and copper. Look into other things. Look into other diversification, even if it is something like real estate, which is fantastic. We like that. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but real estate, gold and silver and copper and gold backs and all of these things, I think they're good bets in my opinion. So let's move over to China and let's see what China happened on today. What happened to China today? It dropped about $10 an ounce also. It's down to 87.94 in China. And in India, it did about the same as we have to 77.43. So what happened to the dollar? The dollar basically rocketed, guys. It went way up. I mean, we went from the mid to high 97s, and we're at 99.24. It's up 0.42, guys, as of right now. And so that signals to investors to pull out of silver and go with the dollar, invest in the dollar, that it's a better investment. It's all temporary, guys. Silver just too strong. Even if the dollar drives up over 100, eventually because of the shortages on silver and supply deficits, guys, it can't hold it back. It's just impossible. Every time you guys hear me say silver's going to do this, silver's going to do that, and then it reverses course. I mean, that's part of it, but it continues to go up. Look at the history on silver. It's not going down. Do we have corrections? Yes, we do, but it continues to rise. It continues an upward mobility. Look at the history. It hasn't really been going down. We had corrections, but then it recorrects and starts going back up. So that's a good thing for silver. And if you bought silver as I did this last week at 80 bucks, 85 bucks, and we're down to 77, you don't lose any money, everyone, if you don't sell it. So don't sell it. It's a long-term gain. And that's what it's all about. And if you sell it, you can't hold it and play with it, right? So happy coffee to silver, even though it's down this morning. And let's look at our crude oil. What's our crude oil doing today, right now? Crude oil yesterday was up, driving silver prices down. It's way up, guys. This is another factor today on crude oil, which is very temporary, very temporary. So that's why I say this is all temporary. Crude oil's way up. It's almost $105 a barrel. We went from 100 to 101. We went from 99, and then we drove back up to, what is going on with my light here? To 104.79. I have some lighting ghost going on over here. Oh my gosh. It's something different every day, everyone. So 104.79, that's a massive factor on today's dip, everyone, and that's just the way it is. But let's talk about the silver deficit, everybody. What is going on with the silver deficit? Now, I don't memorize stuff because I'm not a movie actor, but happy coffee to that, right? Thank God I'm not an actor. I'm just a normal guy from my living room talking to you, everyone. And make sure you guys leave comments down in the comment section. And let's talk to each other about this. One of my viewers yesterday said silver's not going to happen. 90's not going to happen Friday. And I'm thinking, when I said this yesterday, I was thinking when it was Wednesday. So you hit it on the head. Silver will happen at 90. We will do 90, but it's not going to happen Friday. So I had to give you a prize for that. So good job on that. That's what this channel is all about, guys. We talk to each other. We make our predictions together. And this is what happens. So I threw the interception and you caught it and ran for a touchdown. So silver market, 6 years of deficit, everybody. 6 years of deficit. All right, 43 million ounces just in 2026. 46 million ounces. I said 43. Shortfall of 46 million ounces in 2026 alone, everybody. 150 to 200 million ounces so far since, what is it, 2021? Yeah, roughly. No. So they could rank. No, what I'm saying, I'm sorry. Back the truck up. They're showing a possibility of 150 to 200 million ounce shortfall in 2026. So we're currently 46.3 million ounces. So guys, that's massive. We're it says here the market has faced an accumulative draw on above ground stocks of silver over 760 million troy ounces since 2021, guys. On physical silver, you cannot continue a deficit like this and not expect silver, because of the depletion, to continue to rise. It's supply and demand. It's simple economics. When supply is way down, demand's up, guess what happens? The price goes up. So they can manipulate the silver price all they want in the COMEXs. It's continuing. Something we've talked about before, everybody, mining, right? So the mines are not doing what they should be doing. There's things going on over in Mexico. And they're one of the largest silver producers in the world, if not the largest. Things going on over there with cartels and such that are shutting the mines down temporarily, and they're having some labor disputes and all that stuff. That hurts silver. That hurts the output of silver. We've got poor ore qualities of silver. We've got mines that need to be opened but are not opened, and it takes years, just like copper, to open these mines, guys. The easy silver, the easy copper, guys, it's pretty much gone. And so now they have to go deeper to get it out of the ground. So it costs millions and millions of dollars and takes years and years and years to get these mines opened back up. So that's another driver of why silver is going to continue to go up, right? And it's all right here, guys. It's all about the deficit in silver, supply and demand. COMEX, guys, COMEX itself, and I read a little bit of this yesterday, is right now in 2026, 120 million ounces of silver have left the vaults in the COMEX, everyone. 120 million ounces. That's going to cause problems. If they are betting on more silver than what they have that they can deliver, that is going to cause silver to skyrocket. And we are getting there, guys. They can't hold it back for very long. They can't hold silver back for very long, despite what they do, despite the manipulation of the silver, physical silver and such. When it shows that kind of depletion in the vaults, everyone, that is not a good thing for the paper pushers, because they've got, let's see, it says right here, the crisis focuses on registered silver available for delivery. It ain't there, guys. And the eligible for silver, which is privately owned. So it's just not there. There's a lot of pressure on the markets right now. More and more people are saying, hey, I'm taking my silver, pull my silver out of your warehouse. That's what I want. When we get to the point where the COMEX cannot deliver the silver, everybody, they're in trouble. Silver skyrockets. Here we go. We still say 100 an ounce by July at least. Could it go quicker? Could we hit 100 quicker? We're going to have to see, everybody. If we have these short pullbacks as we have today, then it's going to happen. The pullbacks are definitely going to happen, everybody. But silver is definitely going to rocket. So every opportunity that you get to buy silver when we have a dip like this, and we're at 77.15 right now on silver, is an opportunity for you to invest in silver, whether it be a half ounce, quarter ounce, 1 ounce, fractional, whatever you can get, guys. Get some silver. I mean, especially on the dips, it's a good thing. Nothing negative about silver, nothing negative about gold when it goes up or down. It's positive, right? We are not a channel that focuses on fear, everybody. We focus on positivity, and this is a positive correction today. Even though I threw an interception, it's still positive. So we're at 21 minutes, guys. We will be talking to you tomorrow morning and showing some more foreign coins. Let's go over silver and gold one more time. I think I've made a pretty decent case about silver, the shortfalls on silver, and supply and demand. It's simple economics. They can't hold it back for very long. If oil goes down today, we're probably going to come up on our silver price. If our dollar comes down, we're going to come up on our silver price. Watch that oil, watch that dollar, guys. And if it creeps up or creeps down, you know that we're going to have a depletion, not a depletion, but a dip, more of a dip on silver. So, hey, a lot of you want it to dip, and I understand. I do too. I'll buy some more this weekend if it holds out under 80. So right now, gold's at $4,543, and we're at 4:59 a.m. this morning. It's gonna change, everybody. That's all there is to it. It's a day-to-day thing on silver and gold. That's why it's a long-term hold. Hold it, hold it, hold it, everybody. Buy, buy, buy. Dollar cost average. That's my opinion. That's what I do, everybody. And here we go. 77.29. Silver starting to come back up a little bit. And platinum is at 1989, guys. The gold to silver ratio is probably going to be really close to the same. It's 58.79, everybody. The dollar's still about the same. It's at 99.25, down up a little bit to 99.26. And let's look one last time on our oil. Where's our oil? Our oil just went over to $105 an ounce or a barrel, guys. 105. So oil is starting to really rocket. So watch these silver prices today if oil continues to rocket up. And you might get a great buying opportunity today because oil prices are a big driver also of our silver. And this right now, guys, 105 a barrel could cause silver to drop some more, even though it's gone up a little bit. But it's very, very temporary. These prices on oil are very, very temporary. So everybody have a blessed Friday. May our Heavenly Father bless you, my viewer, and thank you for watching us. And make sure to concentrate on the 80% you have and not the 20% you seek, everybody. Everybody have a fantastic Friday. Happy coffee, SSC, the interception quarterback. Everybody have a great day.